Breaker, look.
Look what? Haven't seen a braised ham hock.
Stop eating. There's a tornado. Magical liquid. The strange knocks. It's so scary. These days there's always someone knocking at my door, but nothing was found after I opened the door.
Me too. I also heard that.
Could it be a ghost?
Ghost?
Ghosts don't exist at all.
It must be some brats, if any. I'll show them the consequences of playing tricks.
Coming. It's so weird. Nobody is out. Who the hell is disturbing us? Don't let me catch you, brat.
Action. Got it. It's liquid power. Was it you who knocked all those times? Yes, it was. Who are you? What have you been up to? My name is Number 1. I'm just looking for my master. Number 1, it's an interesting name. Indeed. Because I am my master's favorite, Number 1 kite. Now time to hand in your power. Sorry I can't. I must use it to find my master. So you are lost? It's my fault. I love flying free in the sky. But every time, he would tug me back from high. The wind is rising. Suddenly, I could go wherever I wanted. The wind brought me very high, which made me so happy. But what followed was a fierce storm. My master proved to be right. I miss him. All right, if we help you find your master, would you like to return the power to liquid? Yes, I'd love to. Okay, done. So what are you going to do next? Come on, forget what I said. Everything has a loving soul and a kind heart, without war. Just reason with them and help them.
So let's just get to work.
We can make a lost and found flyer. Lost and found, correct? Then her master will come to us. The bulletin board is where the most people will see.
Looking good now.
This kite is so ugly.
I am not ugly at all.
It's here.
Shiny, seems it doesn't work. Not everybody will see the lost and found flyer. How can we make everyone see that? I've got a good idea. Number 1, you go fly higher up. When you go into the sky, everyone of the town can catch sight of you. Look here, look here. We must try to catch more attention, and as widely as possible. Time to show my gift, whirling ballerina. Cool. Breaker, look.
Look what? Haven't seen a braised ham hock.
Stop eating. There's a tornado.
Run!
Stop spinning round. Number 1, stop it. No! Number 1, calm down. Number 1, look what you've done. Gosh, people are all gone. Don't cry, don't cry. You're gonna be disfigured. I can't cry. I won't cry. I must keep my beauty. There are so few of us. We can't get others' attention at all. Shall we go back to call for help? Call for help? Great idea, Liquid. By the spirituality in Liquid's name, awaken. Kites, kites, answer my call. Breaker, look.
There you go again.
Kites. So many kites with their strings broken in the world. Yeah, each kite has their own keeper. At the other end of every string, there must be someone who is missing them. These kites must be dying to see their own keepers, just like number 1. Now we've gathered so many kites together in the sky, they're certain to be noticed. Yeah, this time they will.
Is it my old eye's fault?
How come so many kites in the sky?
Mommy, it's my bunny kite.
Oh, it's my rocket kite.
Master, master, master.
Number 1, number 1.
Someone is calling number 1.
Number 1, number 1.
Master.
Number 1, I finally got you back.
What a touching story. Let's send all these kites back home. It's so sweet to be kept on someone's mind.